In this video, we will show you how easy it is to replace your laptop keyboard for the Lenovo T540. First, turn the computer over and disable the built-in battery. Then turn the computer back around and open the display. Now grab a small flat object, or just use your hands, to push the keyboard in the direction shown to expose the screws securing the keyboard. All screws will appear when you push the keyboard correctly upwards. Now loosen all the screws. Carefully remove the keyboard from the keyboard bezel and turn it to expose the connectors. Detach the connectors by flipping the metal fuses. Take your new TellusRem keyboard and fasten the connectors. Flip the keyboard and place it in the bezel. Make sure the keyboard is open so you can see the screws. Now tighten all the screws to make sure the keyboard is securely fastened. Push the frame back down and turn the computer over. Enable the battery and you're finished.